Hey, my name is Matt Breen. I'm from Kansas City, Missouri, and I'm studying biomedical science here at Northwest. So coming to Northwest, I didn't really know what to expect, but coming here and learning that I can succeed in college and getting the exposure to really natural science, to see some of the professors and to learn about, anatomy and physiology and all these courses that I think are everyday life. When you apply what you learn in lecture in a lab, you're already taking that first step in applying what you're learning at Northwest to the real world. To be able to work in labs and do some research and really get hands-on experience with science is something that really motivated me to go into the medical field. The things that you learn from here don't just apply to here, they apply to whatever career field you want to go into. Northwest really taught me how to experience life and go through these challenges, and it's really made me a better person in the end.